Dreaming of experiencing France beyond the typical tourist spots? Let's explore how to immerse yourself in authentic French culture and live like a local. Start by embracing the heart of French life, the cuisine. Visit local markets to pick up fresh produce and try your hand at cooking regional dishes. Sharing a meal you've prepared is a cherished tradition. These spots are perfect for people watching, engaging in conversations, and truly soaking in the local atmosphere. Participate in local festivals and events. Whether it's a wine harvest celebration or a music festival, these gatherings offer a glimpse into the community's soul. Learn and use basic French phrases. Even a simple bonjour or merci can go a long way in building connections and showing respect for the culture. Consider staying in local accommodations like guest houses or homestays. This not only supports local businesses, but also provides a more personal experience. Venture beyond the major cities. Small towns and villages often hold the most authentic experiences, away from the usual tourist trails. By immersing yourself in daily life, traditions, and the language, you can experience France in a way that's both genuine and unforgettable. For more tips and insights, read the full article on the Travel Spock website linked in the first comment below.